Hi, John Wales here. I'm going to show you 5 techniques of filming that I'm starting to use more and more in my videos. I'm finding that when you make a video, sometimes it just needs a little bit of something in a particular scene. So I'm going to run through 5 of those techniques now. The first one, I'm sure there's a technical name for it, but I call it the up and over shot. If you're out and about and you've got a low wall, something like this, or a barrier in front of you, use that as part of your intro to come into a scene. Quite simply, when you're filming, instead of just filming over it, use it. Have your camera, bring it up nice and slow until you get on top of the obstruction, and then do your filming. You could use this also the opposite way. If you were closing down the scene, you could close the scene down with it. And that's a good system to use, because then if you go to your next scene and you have a similar wall or overhang, you can reverse it, and that way you have a nice transition as well as a nice effect. Next one I'm going to use is with a tripod. I don't know what the technical name for this one would be, but I quite simply call it a tripod tilt. And this is a very cheap old tripod, and quite simply what you can do with it is, when you're using the tripod, put it down on the floor, put your foot at the base to stop it sliding. Obviously have your camera on at the scene you want, and gently tilt it up to look at the scene that you want, and that gives you a really nice smooth arc. The next thing is, if you're out and about, taking advantage of what's around you. You may be able to film through something, and I'll show you a practical way that I use this in one of my videos in Torrevieja. But as an example here, I got my glasses with me. Not the best example, but you could have a pair of glasses possibly on a table in a coffee shop or something like that. Your camera, you put them up to the lens and you shoot through that first and then pull the camera back. In order to do this, I would suggest using an old pair of glasses, and possibly with the lens pushed out, because that's going to affect the lens on this and the lens on that, and who knows what kind of picture you get. Might be really cool, don't know. Another effect I've used a few times is that kind of cinematic look, and that's where you would get the scene to actually close down horizontally or open up horizontally, or close vertically and open up vertically. I've used that in crop, and what I will do, I will put a card here and you can click on that and see how I've done that video. This one I call the sneaky spy shot. If you're out and about and you're worried security is going to stop you filming, if you've got your phone with you especially, pretend you're talking to someone on the phone, say, "I'll call you back in a minute," then put your phone by your hip, jab your thumb into your trousers or something, hold it there, and then if you gently swivel your body wherever you are, you're going to get a nice shot of, I don't know, a supermarket aisle, or if you're on a railway station or in a busy market, something like that. You can use that. Word of caution, be careful where you use it. If it is a sensitive area, you may get into trouble. So best thing is always ask if it's somewhere you don't think you're supposed to be filming. Well, that's my 5 tips on some of the techniques that I use during my filming. As ever, if there's anything you've enjoyed about this video, don't forget to hit the likes button and give me that thumbs up, or better still, subscribe, click the notification bell, you'll get all of my up and coming videos. Let's go and show you how this is done on the computer. Well, here I am back at home actually doing the editing bit. If there's anything you've enjoyed or think I could possibly help you with, don't forget to put a comment below. Try not to make it too techy, because I'm not that techy at all. Like a great many people here on YouTube, I'm a total amateur. Basically, I just got the camera that I'm filming this on, my lapel mic that I record on my little recorder, and my small laptop, and pretty much that's just about it. I'm thinking about doing a video on why to do YouTube videos, because everyone says how saturated YouTube is. Well, I don't believe it is. Everywhere's saturated. I mean, there's always space for one more. So if you're thinking about starting your own channel, do it. So as I said, leave a comment below if there's anything you think I could possibly help you with, and until my next video, bye for now.